Welcome back to my channel. This is Danielle with Danielle Eats. I'm thankful that you're here. Today we're doing nachos. And I'm going to load them in front of you. I use these chips. I like the dippers because they dip. So these are the chips that I use. So let's get started. I'm going to add the hamburger. And it's hot. And I got my daughter beside me. Only one of them tonight. The other one is knocked out. She's sitting on the sideline. She don't want to be in the video. I don't like too much, a whole lot of stuff. Can you have napkin, please, babe? I don't like a lot of stuff for my nachos. Like, I'm like really simple. I'm gonna try this though. I shop at Aldi's. Aldi's is right by my store. I love Aldi's. And they got this queso medium cheese sauce, and I said I wanted to try it. I'm gonna see what it's like. I ain't gonna put it on a whole lot. I just want to see if I like it. If I like it, I'll add some more. But I do love salsa on my chips. And this is sour cream. I got the big Daisy, the big one, and that's just too much to keep scooping out. So I put it in here in a Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna
That's cool.
What, you know, like that? Because I ain't want to have big clumps. I love sour cream.
I don't.
There's a whole lot more in there. If you...
You put it at?
Yeah, just to go in there. Okay? And I got a fork and a spoon over here just in case I need it. And I'm drinking on, once again, Pepsi. And try it with the cheese. You try the cheese? Not bad. That's fine. That salsa and that sour cream mix, it's an awesome blend. When y'all having your test?
Friday.
When were you supposed to take your
Well, that test every Friday.
Well, I don't know Friday. Should do it on Thursday. Let y'all chill on Friday.
Alright. I need some Crocs though, cause I hate wearing tennis shoes. My toes be hurting.
Oh, I understand it now.
I swear to God, I hate it. And every time I want to take off my shoe, they say something.
I'll get you some.
I be so mad.
You know I don't like shoes. I don't be banging with the whole. I need some more.
You get away with wearing slides all the time. All the time. I'm like, oh yeah. And she downstairs where Miss Watkins can see her. It be making me so mad right now. I'm sure to warm my eye.
That's a whole nother jar in there. If you
And my
want some
friend
more.
wore Adidas pants. She ain't say nothing. You need quick to say something.
I just tell you, look, you just don't. As soon as you do it,
I could talk.
they'll say something to you, but they let other people slide. So just wear what you're supposed to wear.
My friend, pit bull. She had her babies today. It was so cute. All of them eating.
You selling them?
I don't know. I said you need to steal one.
They full-blooded?
I think so. The pit is big. It's so cute.
What don't mean it's full-blooded? They got papers on it?
I asked. Why you get one?
Nah.
Why? They got one.
You know I love pits. Like, that is my favorite
They got
dog.
one. Let's go. Should have had that for a while.
But you know how they be acting over here. When you have a dog. I've been, let me tripping.
It works.
Mm-hmm. I am.
What's that?
What?
Sauce.
Salsa about the stove. That's a big kismet. I can chop you down. You gonna get got.
I was watching this movie with this girl's sister, twin. I don't know if she's obsessed with it. I'm trying to take over her life. Boy, I fell asleep on the good part.
Say that again?
Her sister stabbed a girl in the back. Her sister, like, they were twins. Their mom had died.
Okay.
And her sister was, like, weird to her. Like her sister was in love with her. Like, in a relationship way. Her sister tried to take over her life, her boyfriend and stuff.
The boyfriend couldn't tell the difference?
I would get a tattoo somewhere that my sister would know, so people know who I am.
Right.
Mom, this girl in my school, she got the cartilage, right? The thing. She said, she said this, you just got the pressure. She got that too. I want to get.
She got what pierced? This?
No, this.
Oh.
So I want the cartilage on this ear, right? This pierce, like with the 2 dots though. Then I want this pierce, like with a ring in it, with just 1 dot. And I want this pierce with a ring.
Carol?
I don't piercings. I don't want stomach piercing.
What's going on with the piercing?
I can't get tattoos yet. Piercing gonna have to do.
Whatever.
Can't wait till I be able to get tattoos.
You want piercings where it hurt.
I'm used to needles, so shoot.
Yeah.
Might as well get it. Finna get another one in my mouth. That's finna really.
You
I'm
what?
scared in my mouth.
No, you're not.
You get my tooth pulled. They gotta know
Oh, you have to pull your teeth. God, I thought you were saying you about to get a earring in your mouth.
Oh, my tongue? I'm gonna get that pierced when I get older though. Older. I don't know time soon.
Yeah, when you got 30, that's a good age.
No, 20. It's gonna be
Yeah,
wrinkly.
30 is a real good age.
It's gonna be wrinkly when I'm 30.
No, it's not.
I think about naming my kid more too. Her name is Pretty. I'm more Asani. People call me that in school. That's my Instagram name. They go, more Asani. I don't got no beef with nobody. The one girl I don't like. Guess who texted me the other day? Thank you.
She want to be friends with them?
Right, she friends with Janaya.
No, ma'am, Pam.
So she came over to the table, right? She friends with Janaya. Me and her start back talking. We just fell off for a little bit. Right, came over to the table. Fucking like, I don't care if Janaya friends with her. I ain't being her friend again. I said, right, me either. Chloe said me either. And she was like, I heard that.
I'm telling you, y'all will not know. No, ma'am.
Being her friend.
That's not your
You know her
no.
brother close to mine? I don't care. She's not being her friend. Like,
What y'all like on y'all nachos? Cause this is bomb to me. I don't need a whole lot of stuff. I am missing. I didn't get my what are the jalapenos.
Next,
I do love the jalapenos on here.
my next, can we do steak?
You want to do steak?
Yes, I love steak. A big steak.
Oh Lord.
Jayla eating steak tonight. That's why I need to stay tonight with her. Eat my favorite foods.
The steak that I normally get.
I was big, huge steak.
Them
Let's
thick
do
ones?
We gotta get the spicy noodles. Or the spicy wings. Or the chip.
You're not gonna beat me with
My
that.
friend in school, I probably not. My friend in school did it. He had to go home. Because his stomach was hurt. He said
You did what?
he had to take a number 2. His friend tricked him into eating the spicy chip. He was like, yeah, eat the rest of the chip. I don't want it. So he ate. He said, I was hungry, so you know I ate it. I had to go home. I didn't want to do the bathroom like that. I was laughing. Yeah, everybody was like, Nico's being badass. I see the
There we go.
Shut up. What, you get messy?
I always feed my clothes.
I miss Nala. Well, I woke up, I couldn't sleep my look. You know how like you sleep, but just like you don't be sleep? It's like you only slept for a short period of time. Nala kept doing this. Laying on me, putting her head on me, getting up, bumping on me, hitting me. I'm like, oh my God. As soon as Nene woke up, she, I said,
She be waiting for you to wake up so she can
mess with you.
she can really get live. She'll lay there and just look at you. Cause I be woke and she be right there. And I feel her moving and she'll touch me. I won't open my arm. And I peek over there at her. And she looking dead at me like this.
Glad.
Like she waiting for me. She waiting for me to make a move. So she'll say, I'm like, oh God, okay.
So she was like, wake up, wake up.
I'm like, all right, I'm up. I'm getting up. What you want?
Who baby was in the office today? I was like, what you do? What you do to the glass? And the police officer was like, where about yourself for more? I'm like, I am good. This is my friend. He was like, what did you do? I was like, I'm good. I'm good. Who baby would not tell me what he did.
Police officer was there with him?
Yeah, because we were playing. I know he would just walk in.
Oh.
Okay, got out of school and then dismissed him. I said, what you do, guys? He said, I'll put somebody downstairs.
Show me that.
Yes, he did. Cause Jane is bad on the low. He said, I got suspended for it.
Not cool, baby. I don't believe it.
Who baby is mean?
I do not believe it.
You wanna know the only girl that he don't really hit?
You?
Yes, he don't really hit me, but Chloe, if somebody hit him, he hit him back. You can hit me, I don't even hit him like that though.
One thing I keep telling y'all little girls, keep your hands to yourself. If you don't want to get hit back, I don't care who you hitting, man, girl, you cannot put your hands on little boys, but they got the right to hit you back. Put your hand on a little boy if you want to. You know they stronger than you are. If they knock you sideways, don't get upset. That's why I always say, keep your hands to yourself.
Girl said, you want to cry last night? She said, I want to listen to food. She said, oh, wait for that check. You can stay tonight. She said, I already asked my mom and everything.
That's why Nene came in and was like, she was ready to ask me. I said, no, she can't spend the night. It's school night. You gotta go home. I knew she wanted to stay.
My mom said, yeah.
Cause y'all won't go to sleep.
I will.
Y'all will be up.
I don't care who it is. I'm going to sleep. I don't care who I go to sleep on. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. I can't stay up for nobody.
You got a little bit. A little bit of sour cream. It's crazy because I have to have a lot. It don't taste right unless I have a lot.
I left the whole classroom.
We ain't talking about that one.
I don't want to tell you. It was so embarrassing.
You did it on purpose?
No. Oh, laughing so hard. This.
I'm done. Oh, you was embarrassed.
No, but it wasn't bad. I was laughing at him.
First thing, that's what you do. Laugh at yourself.
It was funny, though. I don't know if I'm good.
I don't know if I should tell y'all what she just said. I ain't gonna say it. I done it a couple times. You know, I don't care. Mmm.
Oh, anytime I give out 2 pour, I can't drink from no type of straw. I'll drink. So remind me, please.
We go Wednesday.
Oh.
The appointments is early. You and your sisters is back to back.
I'm going first. I'm scared to get the 2 pour though. I really think it's gonna hurt. You think it is?
Then they would throw up.
Was she crying? You're a crybaby, so.
I was right there. But
Was she crying?
she just kept like moving her legs like, because the lady just kept like having to stick the needle in different places to really numb it. And at a certain point I get upset because, you know, I control it. I've got a lot better. So I was sitting there and I'm anxious in my seat. I'm kind of like looking at the doctor like, how many times you gonna stick that needle in her daggone mouth? You ain't get it right yet? So finally I had to say, how many more times you gotta stick her? Like, I don't remember. When I got my 2 pulled, I don't remember having to get stuck that many times.
She crying, girl?
Mm-mm. She ain't crying. She was just like, That's not funny. I was mad. I was mad. I think I made the doctor mad. Because I said, when I got my 2 pulled, I didn't even feel it when the doctor gave me the needle. That's how good the doctor was. Because I told you he was playing with my gum. He kept massaging my gum. And that's all I felt was him like pushing on my gum and massaging it real hard.
I mean,
And then he was like, ready for me to pull it out? And I was like, you gonna numb it first, right? He said, I done already numbed it. And I was like, you already gave me the needle? And he was like, yeah. I said, I did not feel it.
somebody said the most part when it hurt is getting the numbing needle. And I can't imagine a needle going through my gum. I can't. My gum's sensitive. That's gonna hurt, Mom. And you gonna feel it going through the pressure, because when I got it in my knee, I felt that pressure. Ooh, when it numb, the numb stuff hurt. It sting. I don't think I just need the homemade pull it.
Well, my jaw got broke.
Well, I was telling my friends about my teacher, but my teacher breath be kicking. Oh my God, you can be right there and she can laugh and you smell it. That's
Be right where?
Like right there, you her in that chair. Like I be so sweet to her though. She be getting on my nerves sometimes, but I be like, I still be sweet to her. Her breath is stinking. I told my friends about that song. I'm like, we gonna like Mrs. Cole. I know you. And your breath smell like. Oh, I told my friends they were rolling.
Don't say that to her. Don't ever say that to
it's gonna
her.
hurt her feelings.
Yo, just when she talking to you, just stop, breathe, just don't breathe.
I hold my breath. I'm like,
yeah, and if you gotta breathe, just be like that. I'm telling you, it works. Like, breathe out, hold your breath. And while she talking for a long time, just keep being like. I'm dead serious. You take a little breath.
I'm inhaling, bro. I'm inhaling, bro.
But you're not gonna smell it.
I know, but ew, I'm gonna taste it. Ew.
That's what you do.
I'm like this. I'm gonna turn to do it. Watch me do that in class. I swear to God, watch me. Everybody go laugh.
But don't do it.
So she can know. I know. They be doing petty stuff so she can know.
Don't embarrass her. Don't never do nothing to try to embarrass somebody.
But we need to help her. Because guess what? Mama going around, she got the stinking breath in 8th grade. I'm teaching.
No,
It's a shame. I think she got something called ileosis. Something with your breath stink.
halitosis.
Yes, my dookie all the time.
She might just have a rotten tooth in her mouth. But I'm serious. She might have a rotten tooth that need to be pulled out.
A week before our spring break, she taking off that whole week to spend time with her daughter.
Okay. People can do that.
No, she just be bright. Like, my daughter comes to her private
Where her daughter at?
Her private school.
How old is she?
I don't know. She's like 8. I don't know.
8.
10.
Her daughter sent away to a private school?
Guess how much money she paid on the
But no, I'm just saying,
Yeah.
she got a young girl, her daughter sent away to a private school?
I mean, she don't live here.
Out of state?
She live in like Salisbury. It's called Winston. I don't know.
Oh, I feel it.
She spent what?
Excuse me.
She spent a lot of money for a freaking field trip. Something like it was like $1,600
For
for a
what?
freaking field trip for her daughter. Me and my daughter would have went on our own field trip and way else spend that much money for a field trip.
Oh, with the school.
Oh yeah.
Private school.
Yeah. Please. I would have missed that field trip. I wouldn't even advise you to pay that money.
I mean no harm. I can't do that.
But
Sending my kids away type thing.
I mean,
Especially like Nene age or your age. And when
It
you
was a
go away,
field
if you
trip
go
in
away to go to
6th grade.
college, it's different. But you know, for the summer when they do that week at Cap Kiwanis,
I
I didn't let you go the first year, and I was like, no.
didn't like the kid.
And then when I did let you go, I get a telephone call. Stop pushing it out.
No, I got to go to Crest.
I get a telephone call and I need to come up. I'm like, oh my goodness.
I didn't like it.
I said, see? That's why I let Nene go. They called me. Nene was like, sign me up, please, please. So I went and signed her up. They called. And was like, we have a slot open. You know, just have her there. You know, it's Saturday morning. Child, Nene said, did they call? I said, no. I wasn't feeling it. You ain't going up there. Next thing I know, I'm getting a telephone call. Your child done drowned. Got bit by a snake. Something, no.
Got chased by a frog. I'll tell you that the time me and Josie was laying on the top bunk, and I was in this top bunk. She was on that one over there. And we was up like, cause our person was in the shower, like in the bathroom. The bathroom was outside the cabin. We were lit in like the doors. The cabin going, a door going to a different cabin. We was playing hide and go seek. We was playing tag. I started it though. No, I had to start it. It was boring. I was like,
You gotta have fun.
so I opened the door. I was like, y'all woke everybody. Like, yeah. I was like, that's why I play a game. Boy, I jumped on my top bunk, tried to hide. Nigga caught me. Guess what? Off my eye, it was a big mosquito. My mosquito like this big. I don't know. It was huge. I was so scared. I fell off the bed. I did a split. It hurt though, but I ain't
You
want
wanna
to
feel it?
cry. Why? Like it was too quick for me to like feel. Like everybody laughing. Then we were playing tag outside the cabin, playing it, running. I took pictures on our cabin lady phone. Her little sister go to our school too. She in 7th grade. Her sister had a disease, like she can't be in the sun too long. And I was like, you whack.
But why does she come? Because it's an outdoor.
Why? I said, you whack. She said, that's because I got.
Like you camping, like in the
She
wilderness.
said it's because I got disease. I said, you whack. Everybody else outside. We gotta be in here. I was.
Shouldn't have done that.
No, but I didn't know she had a.
She just said she couldn't be in the sun.
Yeah, she said her disease something. She showed like her blood cells, the regular blood people cells.
That can happen to anybody.
Sorry.
Hope you was nice to her. I'm done. I'm done.
I love the winter time Leo. I'm missing that man. They saying she retiring.
Well, it says she don't want Miss McMahon next year.
Well, McMahon probably gonna play her. She probably gonna.
Actually, that's one of the best teachers in that school.
Right, she is.
She really is.
I told her
She's the best
if she
teacher
do get her,
in the
she
school.
better not act up. I'm really not winning that.
And you know, I like the principals.
Yeah, because Wishcom used to disrespect her a lot too.
You're going to be in the high school next year. When the principal at the high school is cool. But you ain't going to get over there and act up. Because she used to tell me, when your brother was going down, she used to save his butt so much.
He could get fired.
She was like,
She's
Miss
short and
Coleman,
so cute.
I don't know. She said, I can't keep saving them. Because other people looking at me like, why you keep, she said, I can't keep saving them. I'm going to end up losing my job. I was like, don't lose your job over that boy. You got to suspend them, suspend them.
Bro.
This is real cool.
Presentation or before that we gotta go, I don't know. We gotta go to the school. I gotta choose my classes.
Are they going to do another one?
I hope
Did
so,
you
but
ask are they going to do another one?
I don't know, but I can't let them choose my classes. Because I need some classes that are actually.
Why wasn't you up on that?
Cause I didn't
What
know if you
happened?
was gonna take me or not, and I totally forgot what I got.
Take what?
Take me up to the high school to get our to choose our classes. Time for
I was supposed to take you?
Yes.
When? No, that's what I'm saying. Why wasn't you up on it to know?
Cause I forgot. I really blanked. I was thinking about it all day in school. Got home, I really forgot.
What day was it?
I think
I called up there and asked the principal.
the 15th.
Are they going to do another registration?
I hope so, cause I really need to.
And even if they're not, is it a way that she can get you in to just pick your classes? You drank it all up for your sister. That was not nice. And you know she's gonna wake up, or tomorrow she's gonna be like, "Where's the punch?" And then she's gonna look at the Pepsi and gonna want some of that. Should have saved that for her. I'm getting full. You full?
I'm cold.
I'm full. So, I want to say thank you for watching my video. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm humbly grateful for that. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And continue to come back. Check out the rest of my videos.